If Jah is standing by my side, why should Paula Vanessa Llewellyn be afraid? And you notice I stopped it right at afraid. I'm not going to go any further. Because my parents, my mother hailed from Sanguinity, my father from Frankfield, Cowpen, and I have brought up see, and I was taught, whether privately or publicly, to respect everybody, even those who disrespect me. And when Michelle Obama said, when those who wish go low, you continue to stay high. And that is part of being a public servant who believes in service above self, who believes in a commitment to excellence and the work ethic, and most importantly, who believes that you are here to serve the public and it's not the public serving you and your ego. Little did I know that I would be privileged to be sharing the aura of the Jamaican people that I serve. And I would be getting the telepathic, comforting thoughts that you go, girl, and continue to give service above self. The positive work being done by Rotary has not gone unnoticed. I must confess, at the risk of getting some of the other service clubs that I've spoken at functions a little upset. Rotary, with your theme of service above self, always strikes such a chord that no matter how busy I am, I have to try, once I'm invited, to make the time because we share that theme of service above self.